Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most important features of your VisionAI Pro smart glasses. Battery management. Whether you're using these glasses for translation, navigation, or capturing amazing moments, you'll want them powered up when you need them most. Stick with us as we show you proven strategies to extend your battery life. Let's start with the basics. Your VisionAI Pro comes with a powerful battery that gives you approximately 8 hours of continuous use. But here's the thing. That time can vary significantly depending on what you're doing. Heavy features like real-time translation and navigation HUD consume more power than passive activities like voice commands and video recording. Understanding this helps you plan your day better. Charging might seem straightforward, but doing it right extends your battery's lifespan significantly. Always use the official VisionAI Pro charger. Third-party chargers can damage the battery. Keep your glasses at a comfortable room temperature while charging. Extreme heat or cold degrades battery health over time. And while it's tempting to leave them charging overnight, try to avoid making that a habit. Your battery will thank you later. Your VisionAI Pro has fantastic power-saving options built right in. Eco mode is perfect when you're running low. It dims your display and reduces background processes without shutting down core functions. You can manually lower your HUD brightness in the settings menu, which makes a bigger difference than you'd think. Also, consider disabling real-time translation if you don't need it for that particular outing. Every feature you turn off buys you extra minutes of usage. Here's what many users don't realize. Running multiple power-hungry features at once drains your battery like crazy. If you're using navigation and translation simultaneously, you're burning through power fast. Check your background apps regularly and close anything you're not actively using. Also, if you're in an area with weak signal, your glasses work extra hard searching for connections. Enable airplane mode in those situations to save serious battery power. To keep your battery in peak condition, perform a full discharge monthly. Let your glasses run completely flat, then charge fully. This recalibrates the battery meter and maintains overall health. Always keep your VisionAI Pro firmware updated, as manufacturers often optimize power efficiency in new releases. If you're storing your glasses for extended periods, charge them to around 50% rather than leaving them fully drained or fully charged. These simple habits prevent long-term battery degradation. Standard charging takes about 2.5 hours to go from empty to full. If you're always on the move, consider investing in the optional fast charger. It cuts charging time nearly in half. For professionals and travelers, a portable battery pack specifically designed for VisionAI Pro is an absolute game-changer. You'll never worry about your glasses dying mid-translation or mid-navigation again. These accessories aren't essential, but they're incredibly convenient. You've learned everything you need to maximize your VisionAI Pro battery life. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more smart glasses tutorials. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite battery saving trick. We'd love to hear from you. And if you know someone who just got VisionAI Pro glasses, share this video with them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.